Two organizations are suing the Virginia Department of Elections over claims that the state is purging voters ahead of Election Day.
The Virginia Coalition for Immigrant Rights and the League of Virginia Voters, Women Voters of Virginia, filed that suit Monday in federal court. ABC 13's Bridget Kelly joins us in studio with their main concern.
The groups tell me they're going up against the Virginia Department of Elections because they believe lawful registered voters in Virginia are getting taken off the voter rolls.
In August, Governor Glenn Youngkin signed Executive Order 35 to prevent illegal voting in Virginia. It specifically stops non-citizens from taking part in an election. But the Virginia Coalition for Immigrant Rights and the League of Women Voters of Virginia argue it's too close to Election Day to purge voters from the list.
The National Voting Rights Act does not permit people being removed from the rolls 90 days prior to a federal election.
They claim some folks the board is calling non-citizens could be actual U.S. citizens who just clicked the wrong box at the DMV. They say it could also remove people who weren't citizens in the past but are now if the DMV doesn't have that updated information.
And so if they have had any sort of change in their citizen status over that course in time, they may now be a lawful voter and they're still getting flagged by the DMV as being a non-citizen and subject to removal.
I reached out to Governor Youngkin's office about the lawsuit. They say Virginia fully complies with all federal and state election laws and that these claims are baseless and promoting misinformation. I took both sides to former U.S. Attorney John Fishwick to see how he thinks this will play out.
Yes, only citizens can vote, but if you're going to do what's called a systematic decision like this, it's got to be 90 days before the election, not 90 days within the election, and that's what the governor is doing. So I think the court is going to rule against him and find that he can't continue to have this executive order enforced.
Officials say now is a good time for you to make sure you're registered to vote for this November. If you haven't registered yet, you don't want to put it off much longer. The deadline to register is next Tuesday. Back to you.